Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, and today is an exciting day. It is time to learn how to do the teaser and a few ways that I'm going to show you that if you aren't having trouble in your teasers, I'm going to get you to do it with some routines. The teaser is absolutely my favorite Pilates exercise. I'm going to show you the classical way I learned it and then some sequences to help you get better at it. Starting out at your mat, classically that back is flat. Those legs are going to be at 45 degrees from your hips. Arms reach up, chin to chest, peel that spine up, keeping the legs still, and then roll that spine down 3 times. After that, we go into that classic teaser 2, which is the leg drops, dropping the legs, trying to keep that torso still. The legs are straight. You're then going to go into teaser 3, where the arms and the legs are reaching the floor at the same time, really rolling through that spine and then reaching on up. Take a stretch. Here are some of my favorite sequences to get you a little bit stronger. We're going to use props that'll help our core and thighs get a little bit tougher. So straight leg and arms, squeezing that magic circle, raising the leg up. Keep in mind your hip flexors really need to work. Adding a twist there, those hip flexors need to work in your teasers. And then one-legged teasers, dropping and lifting the leg, that'll help you with those teaser 3s. Here's another great sequence with the magic circle to get you ready. So bent knee teaser, squeezing the circle, trying to roll through the spine. Those feet are weighted down. And then you do the one leg version, really trying to keep that leg that's up very still at 45 degrees. Remember to squeeze that circle. Then finally you can play with balancing into that straight legged teaser and then add some rotation that'll really work on your obliques. Finally, you can practice with the circle, which really makes it quite a bit easier to do the teasers. And there's that teaser 3, also called V-ups in the fitness world. And from there, you can go into your teaser 2, dropping the legs and lifting the legs, and then maybe even try some circles, circling down and around. So try 8 of those. This is another great series to get you into the teaser. Grab a yoga block. So same principle here. You're squeezing that yoga block, knee is bent, you're rolling down, and then from there we're going into our single leg stretch. From there, adding a twist into crisscross to get those abs and obliques going, and double leg stretch, really hollowing out that belly as the arms circle and bring it in. Add some crunches in, and that double leg lowers. You want really strong abdominals from toe to head, adding a crunch to get those teasers. And those straight legs, again, you'll really want to work on having straight legs. You'll need to work on that flexibility in your hamstrings. The teaser is really one of my favorite exercises. Please make sure you're following me over on Instagram at Jessi Fit Pilates. I am uploading teaser pics of me all the time, and make sure you subscribe to me here. I will be uploading 2 weekly workouts, plus I'll be doing daily uploads for March. Strengthen, stretch, and smile with me, babes.